Students, today we are going to learn SST subjects lesson number 1, that is the story of farming. Have you ever wondered how did human discover the food? Have you? No, na? Yes. How did now which the fruits and vegetable was available? Do you know? No. Okay, now I am telling you about that. This the lesson is related of that all your answers. The story of farming. Okay? Yes. In this picture, here different types of food and vegetables, meat, eggs, spices, also grain, oils, they are showing here. Yes, na? Yes. And you have know how we get all this? Who searched this all first time? Yes. You also didn't not about it, na? Yes. Now I am telling you. Okay? Yes. Last time we studied about the early human move around a lot. They were nomads. Nomads means the people who move from place to place and have no permanent or proper place. So they will call nomads. They moved to warm place in winter and cool place in the summer. They moved that time in a warm place in a winter season and cool place in a summer season. They went wherever the food was available. First need is humans the food. Yes, na? Yes. Human always searching about the food. Let us see how they beginning of a farming. Okay. How did early human begin the farming? When early humans ate fruits and berries, they throw away the seeds. After some time, they noticed that there were the plants growing in places where the seed had fallen. These plants had plenty of the same fruits and berries. Early humans then realized that instead of going in the search of food, they could grow their own. They gathered the seeds and scattered them on the ground to grow their food. Scattered means throw in a various direction. What happened that time the humans ate a fruit and berries, and that berries and fruits, the seeds they throw away, and after some time they noticed that there were plants growing in the places where the seeds had fallen. These plants had the plenty and the same fruits of berries. So early human then realized that instead of going to the search of food, they could grow their own. They gathered the seeds and scattered them on the ground to grow their food. This way they are started of the farming. Yes. Gradually they began to grow the crops such as rice, maize, wheat and potatoes. This is how early humans started of the farming. See that time how human found the farming way. Okay? Yes. After learning the farming, the human settling along the river valleys. Yes, he need of a permanent place. So we need good soil and plenty of water to grow the plants. Early humans found this in a river valley. A river valley means low area between the hills with a river running through it. So we call a river valley. So they move close to river. Early humans found water to be useful in many ways. After early humans found the water be useful in many ways like drinking, cooking, cleaning, watering fields and transportation. Yes, transportation also. They made a raft by tying the logs of wood together and used them to move up and down the river. This way they are starter of the transportation. See, they are showing the picture of your raft. Here they are tied the log to each other and that they are make here a raft. Okay? Yes. Early humans slowly turned from the hunter-gatherers to a settlers. Before he is a hunter-gatherers and now he is a settlers. Means to stay in one place they needed the shelter that was close to their field. So they built huts with the branches and the leaves. People started living close to each other and from villages. So this way the early humans became settlers. Okay? Yes. This way people started to living close to each other and from the villages. Yes, na? Yes. Now he need a domesticating animals. Yes. Domesticating animals. The dog was the first animal to be domesticated by early humans to help them in the hunts. Dogs were also their companion. Yes, companion means a friends and domesticate means tame. Then early humans tamed the domesticated and other animals that were useful to them, such as cows, goats, horses, buffaloes, which provide them milk, meat, skins and transportation. Yes, now? Yes. Now they started of the barter. Barter means to exchange something with the other for useful things. To exchange something with others for useful things. Most often, the early humans produced more than they could eat or use for themselves. So they offered this extra amount of food to those who needed it. This exchange of things without the use of money is called a barter. That time they are not using the money. Now we use the money. If anything we want to buy in the shop, that we give to shopper money and we take our things. But that time they are not using the money. They are exchange the things to whatever they have. Okay. In this picture they are showing here one person have some fish and here one person have a hen or any bird that they are exchanging this both of for each other. Okay. This process we call a barter. Humans had settled down in a small villages. No longer the roamed about unless it was necessary. Started living in larger groups for safety and companionship. Understand this lesson? Yes, very good. Thank you.